Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs as they are commonly known, are unique digital assets recorded on a blockchain. Unlike cryptocurrencies, these tokens are one of a kind, making them as unique as, say, a painting by Van Gogh. But why are they making such a splash in the market? Well, they're shaking up the world of art, collectibles, real estate, and even identity security. Join us as we embark on an exploration into the world of NFTs, from their inception to their present status. The genesis of NFTs dates back to 2017 with the launch of CryptoPunks and CryptoKitties. These digital collectibles were the first to be tokenized via a blockchain, making them unique and distinguishable from other tokens. Picture this. Each token, like a snowflake, is different from the other. These tokens, known as non-fungible tokens or NFTs, can be traded and exchanged for money, cryptocurrencies, or even other NFTs. Talk about a modern-day barter system. The birth of NFTs truly came to light when the first one was sold. It's a digital artwork named Quantum. Now that's a fancy name, isn't it? And it was sold in 2017, kickstarting a revolution in the world of digital assets. To ensure that all NFTs follow a consistent pattern, they are built in line with certain standards. These are the ERC 721 and ERC 1155 standards. Think of them as the rule book for creating NFTs. These standards ensure that each NFT has a unique identifier and owner, with all ownership information publicly available. Unlike cryptocurrencies, NFTs are unique and irreplaceable. They can represent anything from digital art and collectibles to real estate and business ownership. It's like having a digital representation of your favorite painting or your first home. But the real shift came when mainstream artists started getting involved. And boy, did they get involved. But we'll dive into that in our next scene. Stay tuned. The year 2021 marked a turning point for NFTs, with digital artist Beeple's artwork selling for over $69 million. The world of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, has seen a surge in mainstream popularity. Built upon the ERC 721 and ERC 1155 standards, these unique, distinguishable assets have been making waves in the digital world. The art world in particular has been revolutionized by NFTs. Artists can now tokenize their work, giving it a unique identifier and owner. This process, known as minting, records the artwork's information on a blockchain, ensuring its authenticity and uniqueness. For artists, this means they can sell their work directly to buyers, eliminating the need for intermediaries and traditional art galleries. The first NFT sold was Quantum in 2021, but it was digital artist Beeple's work that really put NFTs on the map. His piece, Every Day's the First 5,000 Days, fetched an astonishing $69 million at Christie's auction house, marking a significant moment in the mainstream adoption of NFTs. But it's not just the art world that's been transformed. Celebrities, too, have been quick to jump on the NFT bandwagon. From music icons to sports stars, many have recognized the potential of NFTs as a new form of fan engagement. They've been creating and selling their own NFTs, often in the form of digital collectibles or exclusive content. The rise of NFTs has changed the way we think about ownership and value in the digital age. They've democratized investing and opened up new opportunities for artists, creators, and investors alike. But like all disruptive technologies, they've also sparked debate and controversy. The rise of NFTs has not been without its controversies. Despite the popularity, NFTs have attracted criticism and controversy. Indeed, as with any revolutionary technology, NFTs have stirred a fair amount of debate. Firstly, let's talk about environmental concerns. NFTs are built on blockchain technology, specifically Ethereum, which uses a proof-of-work model. This model requires significant computational power, translating to substantial energy consumption. Some critics argue that the carbon footprint of minting NFTs is alarmingly high, raising serious environmental concerns. Another contentious issue revolves around copyright. In the digital world, where duplication is as simple as a click, who truly owns an artwork? While NFTs attempt to address this by tokenizing digital assets, critics argue that it's still far from a perfect solution. There have been instances where artists' work has been tokenized and sold without their permission, leading to a complex web of legal and ethical questions. Lastly, there's the criticism that the NFT market is a speculative bubble. Given the astronomical prices fetched by some NFTs, skeptics suggest that this could be another instance of irrational exuberance. They argue that the market is driven more by speculative trading rather than a genuine appreciation of the asset's intrinsic value. Critics worry that, like the dot-com bubble of the late 90s or the housing bubble of 2008, this too might end in a spectacular crash. However, it's important to note that these controversies don't negate the potential of NFTs. They highlight areas that need to be addressed for the technology to mature and become more sustainable. As with any innovation, there are bound to be teething problems, and these criticisms can serve as catalysts for improvement and regulation. While the debate continues, the impact of NFTs on various industries cannot be overlooked. The world of art, music, real estate, and even identity security are being reshaped by this technology. As we navigate the pros and cons, it's clear that NFTs have opened up a new frontier in the digital world, one that we're only just beginning to explore. From digital art to real estate, NFTs are reshaping industries. As we delve into the world of non-fungible tokens, we find their impact reaching far and wide, touching various industries with their unique fingerprints. Let's start with digital art, a realm where NFTs have created a seismic shift. Artists now have the ability to sell their creations directly to consumers, bypassing traditional gatekeepers like galleries and auction houses. The result? A democratization of the art world that's empowering creators like never before. Yet, the influence of NFTs doesn't stop at art. They're making waves in the real estate market as well. Imagine owning a piece of virtual land in a digital world. With NFTs, this seemingly science fiction concept is a reality. These digital real estate properties can be bought, sold, and even developed, just like their physical counterparts. Beyond these applications, NFTs also have the potential to revolutionize business ownership. By tokenizing a business, owners can sell pieces of their company as NFTs. This could simplify the investment process, making it more accessible to everyday people. It's a new form of democratization, not just of art, but of investing itself. And let's not forget the potential for NFTs to streamline sales processes. By eliminating intermediaries, transactions become faster, cheaper, and more efficient. This could have profound implications for industries ranging from music to sports, where NFTs are already being used to represent unique digital assets. But with all of this potential, it's important to remember that the NFT landscape is still in its infancy. There are challenges to be faced and questions to be answered. How will intellectual property rights be protected in the digital realm? How will the environmental impact of blockchain technology be mitigated? These are just a few of the hurdles that must be overcome as we move forward. The future of NFTs remains uncertain, but their influence is undeniable. As we continue to explore this digital frontier, one thing is clear: NFTs are more than just a passing trend. They're a powerful tool with the potential to reshape our world. As we stand on the cusp of a new era in digital assets, NFTs are at the forefront. From their humble beginnings, NFTs have evolved into a dynamic and diverse marketplace, bringing a new dimension to the world of digital assets. The birth of NFTs introduced a unique concept: the tokenization of assets on a blockchain, turning the intangible into something tangible and tradable. With the first NFT, Quantum, sold in 2021, we embarked on a journey of exploring the endless possibilities of this novel idea. Fast forward to today, NFTs have catapulted into mainstream consciousness, with digital artworks and collectibles fetching staggering amounts. The sale of Beeple's artwork for over $69 million is testimony to the growing acceptance and enthusiasm for these digital assets. The process of minting, trading, and owning NFTs has become streamlined, with online marketplaces making it easier for anyone, anywhere to participate. And yet, like any disruptive technology, NFTs have had their fair share of controversy. Questions around their environmental impact, the security of the keys used to access them, and the potential for market manipulation have sparked intense debates. These challenges, however, have not dampened the spirit of innovation that characterizes the NFT space. The impact of NFTs extends beyond the realm of art and collectibles. They are reshaping industries like real estate and business ownership, democratizing investing, and enhancing identity security. They are eliminating intermediaries, streamlining sales processes, and creating opportunities for creators like never before. Looking to the future, It's clear that NFTs are more than just a passing fad. They represent a paradigm shift in how we perceive and interact with digital assets. The journey of NFTs is far from over, and as they continue to evolve and mature, they promise to bring about even more exciting changes. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or a curious observer, the rise of NFTs is a phenomenon worth watching. We hope this deep dive into the world of NFTs was enlightening. From their birth to mainstream adoption, the controversies, and their impactful potential, it's clear NFTs are here to stay. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications for more insightful content. Until next time.